Hey, I'm Alexander Ludwig, and I'm here to talk to you about balls. Not golf balls, not footballs, not soccer balls, your balls. Look, I know it's not a comfortable subject to talk about, but we need to talk about it because cancer affects thousands of men and their families each year. Now, Orchid is the leading UK charity in male-specific cancers, so you can help them spread awareness by sharing this video and going to their website. Let's save some lives together. Go on, talk about your balls.
I'm often asked, what's the secret to good parenting? And my answer's always the same. Communication, or being a hero. Mostly communication, though.
Hey guys, working out?
I don't get it.
Yeah, wait a sec.
He almost got arrested for that shirt.
I'm just checking for lumps.
If you want to get your point across, you can't lay it on too thick. Scare them away. You just got to play it cool. Hey kids, want to check out my balls? Trying out a new set. Got to make sure, they're the right shape, nice size.
Even I knew what he was talking about.
But that didn't stop him. Suddenly everything was about balls.
Compruebe los testículos. Compruebe los testículos. Compruebe los testículos. I used to intern for a mariachi band. Unos, dos.
He didn't.
He's never even been to Spain.
Hey, check out my nuts. I've got a lumpy ball sack.
Dad, sit down. We want to talk about balls.
Like I said, great communication, great parenting.